first off, let me introduce you to my new old stock Thiers-Issard straight razor. As you can see here, it's a Le Grelot, full hollow, with ground satin polish finish, and it comes with black plastic scales. So this is the first time I've ever opened up this straight razor. It comes with a nice black leatherette pouch. Inside the box is a description slip talking about the scales and the positioning of the blade, whether it may or may not be centered. It also comes with a fairly large sheet of care instructions, which I will include in the image here. Interestingly enough, item number 8 on this sheet says only strop the new razor after several shaves. I find that highly unlikely that I can shave without having to strop it. Oh well. Okay, so now I'm removing the brown packaging, and it comes wrapped in this white tissue paper. You can see the black plastic scales there. It still has this grease on it because I haven't used this razor, so it was protected with oil when it left the factory. So it says here 52 and 6/8. So I just want to clarify that this is a Thiers-Issard razor. It was a new razor, but it used old Le Grelot blanks that they had purchased when the factory closed down. So that's why it's considered a new old stock straight razor. And if you do find one somewhere on one of the markets, I'd suggest you pick it up because these are very rare razors now and they're very hard to find. So if you have one in your collection, congratulations, because it's a keeper for sure. I hope you enjoyed this video of the revealing of my NOS Thiers-Issard straight razor with Le Grelot blanks. For future updates, please subscribe to this channel, and as always, please like and share this video. We'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.